Welcome to the Logitech booth at ISE 2025. We're so excited to share with you our solutions.
What's up everyone, at ISE 2025 on the Logi stand showing Rallyboard 65 in a couple of different use cases. So this happens to be running on Teams on Android, on the board itself, wall mounted with a standard Visa mount. Just any Visa mount off the shelf, put it up there as long as it can take the weight. Camera below, which means you've got that kind of meeting area. Of course, we've got Tap IP and Tap Scheduler to kind of round out the whole experience.
What I want to show here today is what you can do, how you can flip it around. You can grab it with one hand, then use the other hand, flip it around. You see, it's flipping very smooth. Then you can go on the other side and have a conversation at the table.
Microsoft Teams rooms on Windows running on Rallybar Mini with a 105-inch 21:9 display. Tap Scheduler to round the whole thing out. What we're going to be showing here is the multi-stream experience on MTR on Windows.
Welcome to the services booth. We have Sync. So Sync is our cloud management platform. So that's where you can manage all the devices within the network, which you can do the upgrades on, the insight information, so we can see the statistics here on the utilization of the room. And on the third station here, we've got Logitech Room Booking or Logitech Room View, which is running on a roommate behind the interactive display. So here the end user can actually interact with the screen, identify which rooms are available, and it guides them towards where those rooms are going to be.
So we're showing off a couple new features that are available on Google Meet on Android. We're showing off interoperability with Zoom and WebEx, being able to join that from your Google Meet on Android room. HDMI ingest, being able to content share using that physical HDMI cable, as well as Tap Cat5e support. We've got that on the inside conference room. So now you have the flexibility of both touchscreens with Google Meet on Android. Also wanted to point out Tap Scheduler, now running Comeen in a preview. Comeen is a room booking as well as digital signage and guest management platform that we're excited to add to the ecosystem. Over here, we've got Logitech Scribe on our Rally Camera Streamline Kit demo. So we're just showing off Scribe right now. This is fully compatible and certified with Google Meet on Chrome OS. It's actually the only certified whiteboard camera for Google Meet. So we're really excited to have this set up over here, integrated directly into the Google Meet interface.
Here we are looking at the Logitech Rally Camera Streamline Kit, which is our camera solution for high-flex learning environments. And the coolest part about this is that it's operated via a single cable to the compute, but even better is simplified wireless preset buttons that allow the camera to sort of move its focus and positioning with simple ease. So you can see we've got one at our partner at Valence, and then we've got some here so that you can just hit the button and the camera will automatically move to the appropriate preset location. And that view is shown to the folks that are actually viewing the content, whether it's in the classroom or remotely. And that's Logitech Rally Camera Streamline Kit for you.
Here we have Rallybar on Android on Zoom. Okay, we are demonstrating our smart switching. And then here we have also Zoom Room, Rallybar Mini on Android, and we are using Rallyboard as companion mode.
Over here we have our new Meetup 2, and it is connected via the one connection cable towards the laptop. So you only have one cable for direct connection because of the display alt mode technology, which is built in Meetup 2. Over here we have our Tap Scheduler running a room booking solution, especially for bring your own device environments. Over here we have the Rallybar connected via the Extend, brand new one cable connection box.
Hey everyone, Craig Ishii here at the Logitech booth at ISE, and as you can see from our pan here, we've designed the booth to be a day in the life. So we've got desks, we've got ad hoc spaces, we've got conference rooms, everything you need to have a productive workday. Okay, so station one, we start here in the home. So we've got core solutions, we've got advanced solutions, everything that folks need to have a productive work experience in the home. We've got docks, headsets, we even have our new MX console here on display right here in the home section in the booth. At our next station, we're simulating what it's like to come into the Flex Desk working space. So here I'm joined by my two colleagues. Hey gals, how's it going? We can bring our computer, we can plug directly into our Logitech Flex. And we've also got our Flex units provision to Microsoft, Zoom, Logitech desk booking, and of course, all of our peripherals, our core, our advanced, ergonomic, everything here on display in our Flex desk environment. So for our first meeting experience, we're here in a smaller conference room, and we have two solutions, our Meetup 2 and our Rally Bar Huddle. And we've also got a laptop here to simulate the BYOD plugin experience, and I was feeling a little bit lonely sitting in this meeting room by myself, so I have my two friends over here to join me. And we've also got, as I mentioned, Rally Bar Huddle, and we've got all the different platforms, everything from BYOD to Microsoft to Zoom to Google in all of our conference rooms and devices. Wayfinding is so important in office spaces, and so we of course have Logitech View here to simulate the experience of everything from having the interactive map to even seeing what meeting spaces are booked and what they're booked for. So we've got Logitech View here on our Samsung display. Oh, hello. And in this corner, we have the star of the show, Rally Board 65. And what you can do in this corner is you can simulate an ad hoc meeting. So you can have your folks gather around, start the meeting, and see what the Rally Board 65 is all about. Come on in. So here in this conference room, I'm joined with my colleagues. We have Rally Board 65 again, but we're having it here with our tabletop stand on this credenza to show just another deployment that you can use that makes it super easy and quick to set it up in a room and start meeting. And when you're simulating day in the life, it's not just about being home. It's not just about desks. It's not just about conference rooms. Sometimes you're on the go. Maybe you're at a coffee table, maybe you're at a coffee shop, but we've also got our ad hoc solutions here on display. And we can even flip this Rally Board 65 here if we want to show yet another ad hoc meeting space that can be used. Okay, so before I go into this conference room, a quick call out. We've got the Urban stand here for those scenarios where you don't want to put the tap scheduler on the wall, but let's take a look inside the room right now. So we've got our site here in the middle of the table. We've got our scribe working demos, but this is also the room where we're going to show off daisy chaining from our Barcelona office. And then at the end, of course, grab a cup of coffee from the Rally Bar. So that is Logitech at ISE 2025 inside the booth. Day in the life, we start at the home, we go to the desks, we've got ad hoc spaces on the go, we've got Rally Board 65, daisy chaining, conference rooms, all the platforms. Come and check it out. It's going to be exciting.
Thank you for coming by our booth. We hope you enjoyed your virtual tour. We'll see you again in 2026.